What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Juan back with another video. Here's how I made $300 trading the Nasdaq this morning and secured a $1,700 payout. Let's get right into the charts. Very simple, quick day. Caught the short position right at market opening. Continuation model once again, guys. Before I give you a top-down analysis, I need to show you the performance stats. 88% win rate. That's how so far I am on the week. And the performance stats speak for themselves. All right, boys. 101, 1 to 2 max continuation models have been paying, like I said in the previous video. And we got the fucking job done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got the 5 winning days. I'm waiting for the dashboard. The dashboard already reflected the balance, but I'm still waiting for the payout eligibility to show and update, which can take a bit of time, a few hours. But 88% win rate, undefeated this whole fucking week. I was actually on a combine prior to funded this account on the 13th. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm actually on my personal calendar where I track all my trades. I've actually been undefeated for over 10 trades using this model, using this continuation model that I will break down and explain to you guys. So fucking take notes and drop your ego and be open to learn, because this is just the beginning of something huge, right? Like I'm already seeing the potential and I'm already seeing what I'm gonna do, and I'm very excited. Basically, caught the short position right at this displacement down, right at market opening. Price was delivering from this 1 hour for value gap. Again, on the higher time frames, we are bearish as fuck. Very bearish. Don't really see any reason to long anywhere here. Like we dropped like almost 200, 300 points yesterday, 400, I think, some crazy shit like that. Like look at this dump. We've been displaying down from all-time highs. We're fucking bearish as fuck. No reason to look for longs anywhere here, right? And at market opened, price had created this 15-minute bullish for value gap here. We did have some sort of bullish rally here, but price tapped into this 1 hour for value gap. Like we're not just gonna dump entirely, right? Like the market will always have temporary corrections and some temporary pullbacks, right? But even with this minor pullback that we had in Asia, look how fucking hard we dumped and still dumping, right? So let's zoom into the lower time frames, which is where I execute. If you pay attention to all the trades I took this fucking week, they all look pretty much the same. And that's how you want your trades to look. Like if your model is solid, you trust it, you have discretion, and you have some high conviction towards it, all your trades are pretty much going to look the same. Today I actually did go for a strict 1-1. It was the last day for the payout. I did not want to play no fucking hero, right? I'm fucking catching my money and going home, right? But again, price had formed this 1 hour bearish for value gap. We were displacing down. Here we have London's highs. We have London's lows. When price at open tapped into this 1 hour bearish for value gap, I wanted to see a nice reaction from it, right? A nice reaction from. We're very close to sweeping London highs, but we've been so bearish every day. We've been failing to sweep London's highs, right? So I was still objectively waiting for price to show me its hands, right? And waited here. Price came up. 9:30 opening came, immediately inversed this 1 minute for value gap right around here. Immediately inversed it. Crazy CISD. My entry was right at this displacement down. Put my stop at a 23-point stop in case price comes back and fills in this gap, which we did. Later, I was already out of this trade, and my target was London's lows as well as a 15-minute bullish for value gap right around here. Unfulfilled bullish for value gap right around here. So this was my target. My confluence was this PD array, this 1 hour bearish PD array. My other confluence was that we are already bearish as fuck on the higher time frames, on the 4, on the 1, everywhere. And my drawn liquidity was this London's lows as well as this 15-minute continuation model. The overall trend is bearish. I'm using that in confluence with the lower time frames. I'm executing on the 1 minute. I need the lower time frames to align with the higher time frames so I can catch a continuation. Don't now predict a fucking crazy reversal and try to catch a fucking 1 or 5. More so base hits, using a model that works, using a model that has a high win rate, and using a model that is good for my psychology, at least for my own personal style and my own approach. Inversion over here, already reacting from this 1 hour bearish PD array, inverse this 1 minute bullish FEG, crazy 1 minute CISD, entry at the CISD, nice wide stop, one contract, take profit was right at this 15-minute bullish for value gap, targeting London's low. 25 points to the downside secured for a one-on-one. Easy, simple, and fucking done. All right, boys, 88% win rate. Nice balance, 1.7 requested of just one XFA. Next month, I'm definitely going to load up on some fucking accounts and look to fucking scale my trading because I have a lot more conviction in my model. I've been trading for fucking 10 months for a lot of you guys who don't know. And I'm going to be one of the greatest. I'm not saying that being cocky. I'm saying that because I truly mean it. And the future's looking very promising and it's looking very good. It's just for you to know. And I'm fucking happy with this. All right, boys. Good day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.